Hello there! Tronsmart is a good guy, and after trying out their new wireless speaker that we liked a lot, they sent us their new product, Spunky Beats. Very funky name, I like it. Today we will unbox it, and later on I'll tell you my thoughts about it. Let's get right into it. Simple packaging with safety warning sticker, no surprise there, it's mandatory. And when we open it up, we find another small box. It's quite easy to recognize Tronsmart products thanks to their packaging. Boxes have similar or same design. Just like on their speaker box, on the front you can see the picture of earbuds and their name, Spunky Beats. And we can't forget about these features on the back. For example, Qualcomm chip, touch control, 24 hours of playtime with charging case and more. Okay, time to dig deeper. First thing we see is earbuds themselves, with their turtle shell, or you could say charging case. Case is simple, it's light. On the back you can also find interesting charging cable, never seen it before. Apparently you can use it to charge the case directly through power bank. Well, that's neat. And it also has leather band attached to it for easier transport. Earbuds themselves are small, like they should be. They remind me of Xiaomi AirDots. Like it was written on the box, they indeed have touch control. I realized that because I accidentally turned on one of them. Whoops! Let me just put them in a case so that I don't lose them. These earbuds don't fall out of their case because they are being held by magnets. Pretty cool. And it looks like they immediately start charging once they are in their powerhouse and need some juice. Wow! In the box we can also find USB Type-C cable, because you can also charge case using Type-C USB cable. Definitely better than micro USB. Earbuds also come with replaceable earbud tips. Very nice move from Tronsmart, because every person is different, and while using these earbuds, they can freely change the ear tips to their liking. And of course, we can't forget about good old manual. As always, small but filled with important info. I suggest reading at least touch controls before using them. It will improve your daily Spunky Beats usage. Alright, unboxing is done. Now let us talk about the earbuds themselves. Overall, very nice surprise for its price. I really liked how they sounded. Basically a very nice deal. Noise cancellation is also very good, but because of this I suggest not using them in public places. You can't really hear anything when music is playing. It's also very easy to remove the earbuds from case and they automatically pair together once removed. Putting them back is not so easy though, but it's not a big deal. Magnets usually help out with that. There were some situations where earbuds kind of moved out of their original position in my ear, and thanks to that, noise cancellation effect was a little bit worse. But that problem can be easily solved by changing the earphone silicone tips. You may be thinking that Spunky Beats look very similar to AirDots, and you could be asking yourself why you should even consider choosing these earbuds over Xiaomi ones. Let's compare them. The Redmi AirDots use Realtek, which is the middle class chip, and at the same time, Spunky Beat uses the Qualcomm chip, which is the highest class in the market right now. For the charging port, the AirDots uses micro USB, while the Tronsmart Spunky Beat supports Type-C and also includes the integrated charging cable. Spunky Beat can also play up to 24 hours compared to the AirDots 12-hour playtime. Tronsmart earbuds also have touch control. That means you don't have to push them. Light touch is enough to, for example, pause music. In conclusion, Spunky Beat has higher performance considering Qualcomm chip, comfortable design, good sound quality and up to 24 hours playtime for almost the same price as Xiaomi AirDots. But remember, final decision is yours. As always, big thanks to Tronsmart for giving us another chance to try out their new product, and thank you viewer for watching this video. As always, smash that like button and subscribe so we can meet in another video. And for now, ciao.